Ever get that feeling, where you find something you absolutely love and you just think, man, I wish I could get paid to shout about this from the rooftops?
Haha. Yeah, I know that feeling.
Well, that, my friend, is the beauty of affiliate marketing. And today, we are diving headfirst into FXIFY's unique approach with their affiliate program.
It's a really interesting model they've put together. We'll break it all down for you, how it works, what's in it for you, and how that earning structure really adds up.
Okay, so let's talk to the folks at home, the ones ready to trade those I wish moments for some I'm earning reality. What can someone actually make with this program?
All right, so FXIFY has gone with a tiered commission structure, starting point. A very respectable 10% for every successful referral you bring in. They call this Tier 1, perfect for those just dipping their toes into the affiliate water.
10% right off the bat. Not bad at all, just for spreading the word. But sounds like there's potential to really ramp up those earnings, right?
Oh, absolutely. As you gain traction, bring in more people, you climb those tiers, hit that 100 sign up mark, boom, your commission jumps to 15%. That's tier 2. And if you're really on fire, reaching 500 signups, you're cruising into tier 3 at a cool 20% commission rate.
Wow, 20%, that is huge. I'm already browsing travel websites. But let's bring it back down to earth for a sec. What does that look like in real world money? Give us an example.
Okay, so picture this. You're starting out fresh in tier 1 at that 10% rate. Your friend, let's call her Sarah, signs up for an FXIFY account. Let's say she goes all in, chooses a comprehensive package, rings in at, $3,298.35. You, my friend, just earned a cool $329.84 in commission from one referral.
Okay, now we're talking. That's a nice chunk of change just for recommending something you believe in. But wait, wasn't there something about rewards too? Tell us more about those.
Oh, yeah, FXIFY doesn't skimp on the extras. They've got some seriously impressive rewards lined up, all based on how many people you introduce to their platform. Bring in 50 people, you get a free 25K challenge account. That alone is a pretty awesome incentive.
Right. A free account. Sign me up.
Exactly. Now, bump that number up to 250 referrals, you're looking at a free 100K challenge account. And for those who go above and beyond, hit that 500 referral mark, you're walking away with a massive free 200K challenge account.
Okay, free challenge accounts on top of commissions. FXIFY is really pulling out the big guns here. So just to make sure I'm following, you're earning commissions on every single purchase your referral makes, not just a one-time thing.
You've got it. This isn't some one-and-done deal. As long as your referrals are rocking their FXIFY accounts, you continue to earn commissions on their purchases. We're talking lifetime commissions here. Now, that's what I call passive income.
That's wild. Okay, so let's say someone clicks my referral link today, but they take their sweet time, don't actually buy an account for a couple months. Am I still covered?
You bet. FXIFY uses a tracking cookie with a pretty generous lifespan. We're talking 2 whole months. Plenty of time for your referrals to explore, see what FXIFY is all about, and you still reap those rewards.
That is fantastic. So when it's payday, how do I actually get my hands on those hard-earned commissions?
Simple. Once a purchase is made through your unique referral link, you just wait a little bit, 30 days to be exact. Then you can request a commission withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal is $50, and you'll receive your earnings through Rise. Easy peasy.
Wow, the FXIFY affiliate program really does sound like a win-win situation. Lifetime commissions, the potential to earn up to a whopping 20%, and those jaw-dropping reward incentives. What's not to love?
It's definitely worth checking out, especially if you're already a fan of FXIY, think their products are top-notch, and want to share that enthusiasm with others. It's a fantastic way to potentially generate some serious passive income. Share the love, reap the rewards.
You know what? This whole program reminds me of something Mike Barron always says, something like, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. And right now, FXIY is offering a golden opportunity to take that shot, potentially score big. Like Mike always says, get off the sidelines and get in the game.
Couldn't agree more.
This has been incredibly insightful. Thanks for joining me.
My pleasure. Always happy to be here.